Homebrew is the package manager for your Mac, the fastest way to install developer tools and apps from the terminal. In this guide, you'll install Homebrew, connect it to your path, and run your very first package. Let's get started.
Homebrew is a package manager. Think of it as an app store that lives inside your terminal. Instead of searching websites, you type one command, and Homebrew downloads, installs, and links everything for you. It installs two kinds of packages: Formulae, which are command line tools, and Casks, which are full applications with a window. Homebrew works on macOS, Linux, and Windows through WSL.
The requirements are tiny. You need macOS 14 or newer, the Xcode Command Line Tools. But don't worry, the installer adds them automatically, a login password and an internet connection. If you're on Windows, install WSL2 first, because Homebrew runs inside Linux. That's it.
Always install from the official site, brew.sh. The homepage shows a single install command in a dark code block. Click the copy button on the right, and the command is on your clipboard. Never install Homebrew from random websites.
Now open Terminal. Paste the command and press Return. The script starts by asking for your password. Type it. The characters stay invisible. That's completely normal. And press Return again. The installer shows you exactly what it will do and asks you to confirm before anything happens.
If the command line tools aren't installed yet, macOS opens its own installer window. Install command line developer tools. Click Install, accept the license, and wait for the progress bar. It takes a few minutes. When it says the software was installed, you're ready for Homebrew itself.
Back in the terminal, Homebrew downloads itself. It clones its own code and the package index from GitHub. You'll see a progress bar and a stream of Git output. When it finishes, the terminal prints. Installation successful. The hardest part is done.
Homebrew prints two commands you must run to add it to your path. Path is the list of folders your shell searches when you type a command. Run both lines exactly as shown. Then type which brew, and you should see the full path to brew.
Skip this step, and you'll only get command not found.
Let's verify. Type brew-version. You'll see Homebrew and a version number. The exact number changes over time. That's fine. Then type brew doctor, and Homebrew checks its own health. If it says your system is ready to brew, everything is set up correctly.
Time for the real test. Type brew space install space hello. Homebrew fetches a pre-built binary, pours it into its seller, and installs it in seconds. Now type hello, and there it is. Hello world, your first package, installed and running. Homebrew works.
For regular apps, use a Cask. Search the official package site, or type brew search and the name. Then install with brew space install --cask and the app name. Homebrew downloads Chrome and moves it straight into your applications folder. No browser, no drag and drop. That's the whole loop. 1. Copy the one-liner from brew.sh. 2. Run the next steps to add Homebrew to your path. 3. Test it with brew install hello. You now have a package manager for your whole machine. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy brewing.